Hey everyone, today we're going to start our section experiment number 7, which is implementation of generic chatbot. So to implement a chatbot capable of responding to users' query, we are using natural language process, which is NLP techniques, and deploy it using Flask. And the software we are using Python programming language, Flask library, and NLTK library. So about the description, this chatbot is designed to handle basic conversation by interfering user intents and providing predefined response based on a defined pattern. This experiment introduces students to the fundamental of chatbot development using the NLTK chat module and deploying the chat for real-world interaction through a Flask web server. So we're implementing a chatbot using a NLTK chat module and hosting the chatbot on a Flask web server. Okay, now let's go to the experiment. So this is our experiment where we're installing the Flask NLTK and then we are importing it. First we are giving the chatbot server, and this is the chatbot pattern and its response, and the chatbots as its parent reflection means this is the these are the reflections which are inside the square brackets. And next app.code, where the def function is return welcome to the chat box. Use the chat endpoint with the request that we are given. So after that we are giving the chat root, where we are giving the input request.json get the message. Message is the variable which we get, and if nothing in this no user input, it will say like returning the error that no message was provided. And response is the means response equal to chatbot dot response input. If there is no response also, then the response will says, I'm sorry, I don't understand that. Can you ask me something else? Like that it will return. And then we are giving return JSON file response as well response. Then afterwards we are running the app. We're running it around 127.0.0.1 on port 5000. Debugging equal false. User reloader equal to false. Threading equal to threading.thread. Target equal to that. And a thread dot start. We have started the thread also, and our target is done at that. And we are implementing that server is running in the background, and we are importing time and request for almost hours working, and we're giving the time sleep plus 120, and this is the URL for the server to run, and giving the messages as I said earlier that whatever words we are giving, we are saving the variable message. So the settings are hello, what is your name, how are you, right? I'm using a for loop for message and message. Response equal to message request post URL JSON and a message as message. And then printing a message and the printing the response of it. And it says hello means hi alkaline system and automation name. I am a simple chatbot created with the NLTK. How are you? And let's support, but I'm going to get out by goodbye. Have a great day. So this is how your simple chatbot will work. As you can see, everything is working fine. Thank you for your wonderful. Thank you for joining the session. Thanks for the subscribe our channel.